Alright, we're going to try to quickly talk about this 3-operator FM patch that has feedback to everything, and it ends up making sounds that sound like the dead are trying to talk to you through a broken radio or something like that. So, starting out here with a sine wave, and we got the first bit of exponential FM coming from this oscillator here. So we got sounds like this. And then we got a little bit of space coming from the second guy, the second modulator doing some ring modulation with this crossfader. This guy's going to, we're listening to it through a couple of all-pass filters, so we can get something like this that's going through this boogie. That's for poles. We're getting a phase modulated signal from the carrier outputs going into the signal in the frequency modulation of that filter. And we're coming back into modulate the index of that first guy. That's off the 4-volt of the boogie filter. So we are hearing the phase modulation delay. And then the carrier is also feeding back into the modulators. The modulators have wave shape outputs that they modulate themselves as well. So there's some feedback. Let's maybe just take a listen to what this wavetable is doing. There you go. Is that broken radio or is that the dead?